Before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new platform where you can access and use AI models like Seedance 2.0, Grok AI, Veo 3.1, Kling AI, completely free. So make sure you stick around to the very end. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Alright guys, so the platform I'm going to be talking about in this video is called Seedance Ai. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below, or you can simply go over to Google and type Seedance.ai. Click on the first link you see right here. Once you tap on it, this is going to pop up. Now you can go ahead and join their community here, which is their Discord, so you can get latest news about the platform. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go ahead, click right here to cancel that. Next, go ahead and close this here as well, and this interface is going to open up. The next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and click on sign up. Once you click on it, it's going to take you here. Only method of creating an account on this platform is through Google, so you can just go ahead and click on register with Google. Currently, at the time of making this video, if you sign up, they give you 10 credits as welcome bonus, and you can use these credits to start generating videos. Right here you can see transform your ideas into captivating videos using our advanced AI video generator, no experience needed. This is the prompt box here where you can describe the type of video you want to create, and over here you can select the AI model you want to use, whether you want to use Grok, Veo 3, and so on. But there is a hidden feature on this platform that a lot of people don't know. All you need to do is to come over here and click on Pro Studio. This is going to open up. This is where you can chat with the AI. They have the video generation and the image generation. If you go back to the main interface, you will see that they only allow you to generate videos. There is no option to generate AI images, and the only models you can access is Veo models and Grok models. But there are other models on this platform as well. So go ahead and click on Pro Studio here. They have the video generation models and the image generation models. So if I click on image generation models here, you will see that you can generate images using imaging. You can generate images using Grok. You can generate images using GPT Image 2. Now, if you want to generate videos here, go ahead and click on Video Gen. This is going to basically open up, and right now you can see there are so many models here. They have Veo models, Veo 3.1 Fast, Veo 3.1 Lite, Veo 3.1, and Omni Flash. Now, if you click over here on Grok, they also have Grok models here. Now, they also have Biden's models here. You can see they have Seedance 2.0 Omni, Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 Mini. They also have Kling models here. See, they have all Kling models here. So this is a hidden feature that a lot of people don't know about this particular platform. You can generate videos up to 30 seconds. You can also extend videos here. Another thing I want to show you guys, sometimes if you come on this platform, Grok models will not be available for you to generate videos for free. If you try to create a video using Grok models, it will tell you Grok is not available for free now, you need to upgrade. Sometimes if you want to generate videos using Veo 3, it will tell you that Veo 3 models are not free right now. So you just need to come on the platform and check when any of this model is available, then you can go ahead and use it. So if you check Grok is not available, you can check Veo models, you can check Biden's, you can check Kling. Whichever one is available, you can go ahead, utilize it, and make videos. I'm going to go ahead and try Grok now and see if it is available. So I'm going to click on Grok, and over here I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here. We are trying if Grok model is available. I'm going to scroll down here and select the aspect ratio. I'm going to select the highest one, which is 720p. I'm going to select 6 seconds as the duration. Turn on the audio. If you don't want audio, you can turn it off, but I'm going to turn it on, and here you can see credits remaining is 10, but this generation, if it works, is going to cost 0 credits, which means I'm going to generate the video for free. But let's go ahead and check. Sometimes it might not be available, so I'm just going to go ahead, click on it, and boom, you can now see that Grok video temporarily unavailable for free users. So I'm just going to say understood, and then I'm just going to go ahead and switch model here. So I'm going to click on view models here, and I'm going to just go ahead and select Veo 3.1 first. And over here, this is where you can add your first frame and last frame, but you can also generate a video without uploading reference images. So I'm just going to go ahead and just paste in my prompts right here. Select the aspect ratio, the resolution. I'm going to select 6 seconds and hit generate. You can see if this works, it's still going to cost me 0 credits. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate, and let's see. All right, so it seems this one is gonna work. It's now asking us to verify if we are human, so let's go ahead and wait. All right, so it's verified us right now, and right here you can see our video is generating. But just like I said earlier, sometimes if you want to generate a video using Veo 3, it will tell you that it's not currently available for free, but sometimes it will be available. If it is not available, go ahead and select the next model. All the models on this platform are great for video generation. All right guys, so the video generation has been completed, as you can see it right here. Now if you want to preview the video to see whether the result is good or not, all you need to do is to go ahead and click over here, click on it. It's gonna take you here where you can preview the video and see if you love it or not. Now after that, if you don't like the video, you can just scroll down here and regenerate it. Remember, it is free, you don't consume credits, because if you see at the top right here, we still have 10 credits available. So if there is a mistake, or maybe the lip sync is not good enough, you can just go ahead and regenerate it until you get the result you want, because after all, it's free, so you don't have to keep any bad video. You can also extend the video here if you want. If you want to download, just go ahead and click on download right here and download the video. So that is basically how you can create videos on this platform completely free and unlimited using Grok models, Veo models, Seedance models, or Kling models. So go ahead and check which model is available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this.